The slab grab is a fast and easy to install post that secures to the slab edge and supports leading edge protection fencing and guardrails. To install the slab grab, set the opening of the jaws of the slab grab to the thickness of the slab plus 1 inch. Turning the adjustment handle counterclockwise will open the jaws. Clockwise will close them. Position the slab grab with the top and bottom jaws around the slab edge and the vertical post flush against the slab. Place 1 foot on the top jaw while holding the slab grab plumb. Turn the adjustment handle clockwise until the jaws are tight against the slab. View the visual safe indicator. Turn the handle clockwise until the red is no longer visible.